Yo, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm gonna start the process of daily uploads. So for today's video, I'm just gonna have a chill vlog, I guess. I'm gonna talk about the car and talk about the ruckus, and probably most importantly talk about that one time, a couple videos ago, I was how the YouTube automotive culture is so I don't know, it's the same old. I want to see creators that deserve. I'm not saying that the people that go to these dope events don't deserve it, but what about some new faces, man? Well, it's like the rap game, bro. How come the YouTube automotive culture game can't be like the rap game when you got all these Lil Pumps and Lil Boot or whatever the new Lil name is? How come in the rap culture or whatever, they get put on, they get invited to the big shows, they get invited to Coachella or Southeast or South, whatever, the South by West, the airline show, still Rolling Loud. And I know it's dumb to try to compare the two, because oh, it's rapping, but well, I guess I already started talking about the whole YouTube thing instead of talking about the ruckus or the car. But I'm just trying to say this, when they had the whole Florida thing, when I guess you got invited to come to the Florida challenge thing or whatever, me being one of the biggest automotive channels in Florida, aside from I think Taylor Ray, Adam LZ, who else? I think that's all I know who are big car creators in Florida. You got me with 100 and something thousand subscribers, but in the Honda community, I'm not saying I'm a big deal or I'm a big name, but my name's out there, and I hate to sound cocky or arrogant about it, but it really hit me the other day, a lot of people know who I am. Even the Boosted Boys know who I am, which is pretty dope, because somebody said, yo, you should collab with Boosted Boys, and then he commented on that on my video saying, I think that'd be dope, and I was like, yeah, whenever you're in Florida, let's do it or something. So hopefully you guys get what I'm trying to say without trying to sound too crazy or whatever. It's just I just wish I could be invited, or people like Young Static. He deserves, bro, Young Static is probably the best automotive YouTuber I've ever witnessed in my entire life. The man is a one-man band. He is literally the GOAT of this stuff, man. And it sucks that he doesn't get the recognition, the appreciation, the views, the support from all these other companies that support these kids just buying expensive cars just to buy them and build them for 2 weeks then sell it. You know what I'm saying? YouTube, I understand that YouTube is a business. When it comes to people that care about the quality of their content and care about giving you guys entertainment and without trying to sacrifice, I wouldn't say sacrifice, but I can't even explain what I'm trying to say, but you guys know what I'm trying to say. You know them big YouTube dudes who be only making mediocre content just to have it up so they can get some views. They don't care about the quality of their content, and I love the quality of my content. I think I'm one of the best, and I know I shouldn't say that because you can't be one of the best because you have but when it comes to what I do and who I am and how I do things and how I edit and how I everything I do is just, I think it's the best, and that has not been replicated through the YouTube thing. I get roasted all the time, yo Zosh, you always blowing up your car, but who else is putting the wrench time on their own car? Who's doing everything in the garage or in the driveway or with their homies? Who's all doing that? I'm not paying people to work on my car. I'm doing everything myself. So of course I'm gonna break this and that, with the whole B20 thing. Why you keep going to B20? First B20 I bought it off a guy. It was a B20 VTEC swap. Don't know the miles. I got it for $1,300. I'm thinking it was a great deal. It ran. It had issues. It never blew. I cracked the sleeves. Well, I wouldn't say it blew, but I cracked the sleeves, so I got a new B20. I didn't know what all it took to go B20 VTEC, so I sold that entire swap motor. And with the last two B20s I had, I cracked it. The tune, I guess my Hyundai was actually bad, I guess, and it erased, I don't know if it erased the tune, but it corrupted the tune or some sort. So in order for me to only drive my car, I had to spray brake cleaner and a throttle body to get it to go and stuff like that. It was just a mess, and I learned that issue was that it's all a learning experience. And then with the last two turbo blocks, I'm still on the turbo block that I had a couple months ago, but the one before that, I had 360 horsepower on a stock block B20, and it couldn't handle it. So that's the point. Now I know that if you have a stock block B20 with a GSR head or B20 VTEC and you want to go boost, do not go past 350 horsepower daily and stuff. You can do it for you if it's a track, but I dailied it. So yeah, everything I do is a learning curve, and for what I've come from, I did really good with my tech. I say I don't like it, or I don't know. I guess I'm trying to stay humble about it, and when people say, oh, your car is gold, blah 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 blah, it's nah, bro. It needs a wash, but for the most part, bro, I did all this here. in the driveway or in the garage. Mostly in the driveway. I don't know, I just wish I was able to be a part of all the other cool YouTubers. I feel like I'm just salty or something right now, but you guys know what I'm trying to say, man. You see lack of uploads from Honda Street Garage due to, like, you know, he don't get the support that he deserves. And bro, Mark is an amazing dude, man. He helped me out every time I needed it. Like, everybody that I talk to in the Honda community on here is like great people that deserves to shine. Phil S2K, he got great content. His vlogs be on point. He deserves to shine. Steven Ocasio, he deserves to shine. Honda vlogs definitely deserve to shine. He's doing this thing where, like, he go over each week of a recap of what's going, like, that stuff like that needs to be brought to the light. Like, I'm tired of seeing all these already born rich kids getting all these dope cars, and then, oh, I'm a YouTuber now, and then they blow up because they can afford GTRs or freaking whatever the case may be. Like, just because you got a cool car doesn't mean you have cool content. Super facts. It's dope to see somebody come from nothing and grind to the top and become a somebody. Like, everything I do YouTube related, I try to do it for, like, you guys as well. Like, I try to, like, incorporate sponsored stuff so where, like, you guys are a part of it. Like, you guys say big, like with the treadwear thing. Like, everyone say, yo, Zosh, where you get your tire letters? I talked to Treadwear, I landed a little sponsorship with them. Like, you guys get 10% off if you use code Zosh. Like, I try to do things that you guys were partaking, like with the whole Neo Garage thing. I joined that company as an affiliate just to help you guys, like, okay, if you don't have all the money and you want to, like, but you got credit, then, like, you got financing available. You can get your T37s, you can get your K-Tune shift knob or shifter or whatever. You can get whatever you want on their website with their financing program. Like, I try to do everything for you guys, and, like, I just wish that, like, I was able to shine like how Adam LZ, TJ Hunt, the Evan Shanks, like all the big guys in the community. And where I just, man, I don't want to sound like a broken record. I still got to talk about the cars. I'm already 10 minutes in, so. Well, I guess this video is already did itself. It's already almost 10 minutes. But talk about the car, talk about the Ruck and stuff. Yo, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Starting off, hopefully daily uploads every single day. Well, until, like, I think Saturday. So Monday through Friday, hopefully have daily uploads. I'm gonna try out my content and see if it's actual content these next 5 days. So for the first video today, I'm gonna show you guys the Ruck in its entirety, completion. I gotta actually go get some nail polish brush or whatever so I can, like, touch up, paint these stuff that I touched and scratched up. But I'm gonna move the Ruckus out in the sunlight, even though the sun's about to go down, to show you guys the cool stuff I did. Is that road rash? Check out the Ruckus. So here we have the 2011 Zosh built Honda Ruckus with black painted CVT stuff. So what I did was I just hit it with some VHT gloss high temp black paint on the drive face and on the clutch bell thing, and I also did it to this as well. So now it's like mostly black on this side. All I would have to do now is just get this bolt in black, get this nut black, and get that washer for the kickstand, and then, you know, the washer for that, and the nut for that, and black too, and get this black. You know what I'm saying? Just do cool little stuff like that, like make it all black. And for the yellow accents, I honestly don't know where to do it. Only way I can do yellow accents is if I do black wheels and do yellow tire letters. And if I do yellow tire letters, I'm gonna have to get a bigger tire for the front, which when this tire ever goes bad, I'll do that. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it the way it is, because I don't see no point in doing yellow stuff to, like, really throw off the bike with all the green, black, and polish. So when I go to stage 2 of the bike, of getting it, like, you know, like just like Christina, I'm gonna do the yellow tire letters, and then bigger front tire, and then yellow hardware bolts to, like, stand out. But for now, do what I do. So aside from the Ruckus, here we have a dirty, dirty Christina. This car hasn't been washed in, I don't know if you can see that. This car hasn't been washed in a couple of days, maybe 2 weeks to a week. See how bad the hood is with all, like, the cracking on the paint on the carbon fiber. Yeah, I decided to paint it anyway. I didn't want to use a stock hood. I think the vented hood looks good, but when you ever see my car in person, and you're like, yo, Zosh, your hood is trash. It very much is trash, bro. It very much is trash. But I haven't been driving the car because of the Ruckus, because, well, I don't really go nowhere far to take the car. I go around town, and Ruckus is fun to drive, and it's cheaper on gas. Even though I'm on E85, my gas still burns because of the turbo. And, you know, when you drive a turbo car, you just want to do pulls. And unless you got a show car, this ain't a show car. It looks good, but it ain't a show car. Well, I guess that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Oh, well, I guess my daily upload streak starts today. But comment down below what type of videos you want to see from me this week. I don't have anything cool planned for my Integra or the Ruckus. If you want to do if you want me to make a video about how much the Ruckus cost to be built to where it is now, or like anything you want to see from me, comment down below and I get that video out to you guys. And if you want me to talk more about how I feel, if you guys even care about how I feel about the whole YouTube thing and where it's going for the automotive content creators that actually create content and not just a little. But yeah, comment down below your thoughts on this video, I guess. I know it might seem boring of me just talking just to have a video up, but I should always do videos like this back in the day. So, you know what I'm saying? It's a slow week at work for me this week. And yeah, I don't upload or you guys just pick what I upload. But that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, could you please, you know what I'm saying, just smack that like button for you, but that'd be greatly appreciated. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Whatever that video may be, comment down below what you want to see and I will get that video done. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Oh, I'll take my mom for a ride.